In order to assign a passage in Kami to your students, the quickest way to get there is going to be to make sure you have the Kami extension, and then that's going to take you here to the landing page. You've got several options. You could upload a PDF that you have saved to your computer, or you can access a PDF from your Google Drive. You may be prompted to make a copy if somebody else is the owner of that PDF in Google Drive. For now, I have one saved on my device, so I'm going to go ahead and find that saved PDF and open. Okay, and this is letting me know that I already have some annotations, so do I want to have one of these that I've already annotated? For now, I'm going to say new copy. Okay, run text recognitions means that this PDF can be read aloud, and this is something that the students will want to click so that they can have the PDF read as well. And this means that we need to upload it to Google Drive in order to use that function. So that's totally great. It just means it's going to be now in your Google Drive as well. So it's running text recognition here. All right, when you're ready to assign this in Google Classroom, and once again, if you needed to add instructions for the students, I could do that before assigning. So if I wanted to make like a little comment with some instructions over here, sorry, that's the screencast comment, but if I just wanted to add some voice or add some instructions, you could totally do that. Some supports, whatever you needed, or you can leave it just as is and assign to your students. So I'm going to click on the 3 lines here. I'm going to go to create an assignment. And notice that this PDF is already set as make a copy for every student. So I'm going to call this annotation test, but you're going to give it a title. You're going to choose your class. If you just want it to go to specific kids, you could do that. I'm going to make this one ungraded. And then the control features means you can turn it on and off certain media. For now, I'm going to go ahead and leave them all on, but I'm going to go ahead and just use the freehand highlighter and box highlighter so my kids don't get confused there. And I think for this one, I'm going to turn off media. And okay. And then assign. And after this is assigned, I'm going to show what it looks like as the teacher in Google Classroom. Okay, so I can open in Google Classroom. Now you'll see there's the instructions, but when I go to student work, now that you have that extension, I can click. And if I have grade by with Kami checked, so without it, I just see the PDF. When I have this checked, I can see any work that the student is doing in the PDF, and I could then comment, annotate, work with the student in the PDF if I wanted to. This grade by page feature, this is if I wanted to see all of one page across the class. For now, this is just a great way to have your students practice using some of the tools. So you notice for markup, they've got the freehand highlighter, and they've got all of these different options. We have all of these for the student when they're working on it. We took off some of these in the control features option. So once again, this Kami extension brings you to the landing page. You can upload from your computer, and then from Google Drive, it's going to be about the same. You can even sort from PDFs. Or if you know you had one recently opened, then you can get that PDF that you had recently opened as well.